Mommy. What I said?
It's a glove.
That gloves?
Yeah, you put it on your hand.
Oh, I put my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, I put my hand off.
Do your hands ever get cold?
Yeah,
They do?
yeah.
So you put those on and what happens?
But, yes!
Yes?
Okay. Okay, my juice. There.
Is that your juice drinking glove?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gotta put it on again.
Do we ever get cold in Arizona?
I don't want to take picture, Mommy. I want to take picture like Rob.
I'm taking pictures of your glove. Don't worry. Show me how you drink your juice with your glove. You're silly. Yeah. I love you.
That's you, Mommy.